all on behalf of our management, Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering and Technology. Especially, I welcome to our chief guest, even though he is not present today, Dr. Ramesh Babu. He is head of the department and professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Osmania University. And our principal, vice principal, HOD Mechanical, and all participants from our country and outside the country, our speaker from national and international places, they delivered their good lecture, and convener, co-convener, all students participated from BTech and MTech. Basically, today is the final day of our six-day international symposium on advanced manufacturing and materials engineering. So I hope we all are get benefited. And further, I request to all the participants, please be with us. In near future, we are going to conduct other program itself. And in next week, we are going to conduct a program in our civil department on the recent trends in civil engineering. So by these words, thank you to all to join us in this function. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Zahir Hassan, sir. Now I invite Professor Raza Ahmed Khan, sir, to say a few words.
Thank you, Mansoor, sir. A very good morning to all of you, and welcome to this valedictory function. Respected Principal, sir, Dr. Syed Abdul Sattar, sir, Vice Principal, Professor Farooq Anwar, sir, Head of the Department, Dr. Syed Mujahid Hussaini, sir, Director R&D, Dr. Zahir Hassan, sir, and all my respected faculty members, all the participants. I welcome you all to this valedictory function. I hope you have a very wonderful and a beneficial symposium for last 7 days. Just to give a brief about the Mechanical Engineering Department at Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering and Technology, I would like to state that our college started in 2008 with the affiliation from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University at Hyderabad. And then there were 5 branches excluding mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering was later included in 2011. And then after that, we have got around 6 batches of engineering students who have passed out so far. The 7th batch is about to pass out now. We started our polytechnic in mechanical engineering in 2013, along with MTech in HVAC. We started the MTech program in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning in also in 2013 with affiliation from JNTUH. Later in 2019, that was last year, we moved from JNTU to Osmania University. We got the affiliation from Osmania University. We are approved by AICTE, and our college is approved by the state authorities. Dear participants, we have got a wonderful workshops, well-equipped laboratories, computer labs, and library at our college. We have got a very experienced and well-qualified faculty that we might have experienced in the past week. We have done wonderful projects at the BTech and Polytechnic level. We have done advanced and in-house projects, like we have made a go-kart in our college that won accolades for our college. We got the first prize in Telangana, and we were 4th in All India competition. We have done projects. Our faculty have guided the projects on robotics, hybrid power generation, multi-purpose machines, agricultural land cultivation machines, and all these projects were done in-house in our labs. Under the supervision of our faculty members. We have done also projects on non-conventional energy sources, like we have done projects on solar energy, wind turbine, geothermal energy, hybrid systems, where we involve more than one system, like the combination of solar, wind, and geothermal energies. Development of 3D printers. We have developed a mini 3D printer in the last semester. Feasibility studies on hyperloops in India. You know, it's a fastest means of communication that is, the concept is coming up in the world. It is between the planes and the train. So we have done feasibility studies on hyperloops in India, efficiency of petrol and diesel engines. There are a lot of projects people have worked on, students have worked on. Alternative fuels, recycling of plastics, CFD analysis, and simulations. So these were some of the projects that our students have worked on in the recent past. Our ME, MTech students, master students in HVAC have done wonderful projects in the area of refrigeration and air conditioning on both the theoretical and the applied areas. They have done HVAC projects that include indoor air quality studies, in selected commercial and office buildings. There are a lot of issues that are coming up, especially after the COVID issue. There is increased emphasis on indoor air quality. How good is the air that we breathe in? What is the quality of the air that we breathe in? So our students have been doing the projects on IAQ in selected commercial and office buildings for past some time. We have done projects on energy conservation, cold storages, firefighting systems, MEP designs, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing designs, air distribution systems, alternative refrigerants, QA/QC processes, quality assurance and quality control processes, clean rooms, HVAC applications in hospitals and buildings, institutional buildings, residential buildings, and special applications like sports facilities, industrial applications. They have got special requirements as far as HVAC applications are concerned. Apart from this, our department organizes a sort of finishing school where we impart special coaching for GATE and other competitive examinations. This has been a very good initiative by the mechanical engineering department, wherein we are offering students, those who are interested in going for further studies at higher institutions of learning, to go ahead and prepare themselves for GATE exams and other competitive exams. Apart from this, we are offering also training programs for improving their interview skills and the building of the professional confidence by offering short courses and special lectures, guest lectures from people who are experts in these areas. Recently we have our department has done 3 major events during during this period of lockdown. We have been conducting webinar series on the theme of emerging trends and opportunities in HVAC. We have done a FDP program recently last week, and then this international symposium on manufacturing and materials, advanced manufacturing and materials engineering. So like this, we are preparing students for the challenges ahead. We are ensuring that the quality of teaching keeps on improving among our faculty members also, and especially ensuring that our pass out engineers from our institute are ready for industry, both with skills and the professional ethics. So that is what we have been trying at our mechanical engineering department. It was just a brief overview of what the mechanical engineering does at Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering and Technology. I wish you all, I hope you have benefited a lot from our international symposium. I hope you will be participating in our future events as well. Thank you, and thanks for participating in all these events. Over to you, Mansoor sir.
Yeah, thank you, Raza sir. Thank you very much for your views. Now I request Professor Syed Farooq Anwar, Vice Principal, Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering and Technology, to share his valuable thoughts. Farooq Anwar, sir. Sir, is there? I think his mic is mute.
Yeah, just a minute. Yes, sir. You can unmute and you can go ahead, sir. Farooq, sir. Unmute, sir. It is not unmuted. Yeah.
Good afternoon, and a very warm welcome to all the participants. Respected chief guest of the function who could not make it today, Dr. P. Ramesh Babu, Head Department of Mechanical Engineering, University College of Engineering, Osmania University. Chair for this function, Dr. Syed Abdul Sattar sir, Principal, Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering and Technology. Dr. Mujahid Hussaini sir, Head Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. Zahir Hassan sir, convener of this program and Director R&D, Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering and Technology. Raza Ahmed Khan sir, Professor of Mechanical Engineering. Other faculty members and dear participants. I would really like to congratulate the organizers for organizing such a good symposium for 6 days on advances in manufacturing and material engineering. I'm sure the kind of lectures that were delivered during the last 6 days would have helped the participants to learn many new things. Definitely, international symposiums bring knowledge from many other parts of the globe, and they are helpful to the participants who are participating in this symposium. The number of participants, as I have seen, is really extraordinary. More than 600 have attended this symposium, and that goes to show that the symposium was really conducted in a very nice way, and it was very, very interesting and created a very good atmosphere. Now, in addition to these symposiums, the Mechanical Engineering Department has already conducted webinars also, and I congratulate them for all this. I'm sure other departments are also in pipeline, are having symposiums and other programs in pipeline, which will be conducted very soon. And I would like the participants to see the other programs also, and those who are their friends or other persons who are interested in other branches of engineering can be in touch with Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering for their corresponding webinars, symposiums, and lectures. Once again, I would like to congratulate the organizers, especially Dr. Zahir Hassan sir and Dr. Mujahid Hussaini sir, for organizing such a beautiful event. And I'm sure in future also they will be continuing with this. And I'm sure the other departments will also be conducting webinars, symposiums, and this type of programs, both national and international, for the benefit of the students and faculty members. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Syed Farooq Anwar sir, for sharing your views, valuable views. Now I request our Honorable Principal, Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering and Technology, and today's inaugural chair, Professor Syed Abdul Sattar sir, to address the gathering and to give his valuable inputs to our participants.
Respected colleagues and dear participants, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to one and all. Really, I'm very happy to see this international symposium successfully completed today. First of all, let me congratulate the Mechanical Engineering Department, which is conducting this series of programs. This is one of the series of the programs which is being conducted by the Mechanical Engineering Department. Of course, other departments are also conducting such programs. I'm really very happy to see this, that in this pandemic situation, the peoples are utilizing their time valuably. This is the proper utilization of time. I'm very happy to see that the participants are also in good number. And I was thinking that the symposium really it will be a national but the department has proved that this is an international symposium. Just I was observing the lecture of Muhammad Afzal or Fazal. Afzal?
Afzal.
It was very wonderful. And other speakers were also from international and national. I came to know that the wonderful lectures was given and good information has been passed to the participants. I believe that the participants must have enjoyed the program and they have got benefited a lot. Especially I congratulate Dr. Zahir Hassan, with whose contacts this program was very much successful, and also the efforts of Dr. Mujahid Hussaini, who always struggle for such programs to conduct and also to benefit the students and as well as the participants. I'm very happy to see this, that the participants are also highly qualified and eminent personalities, those who are attending this program. Really congratulate and as well as thank the participants that they have taken this opportunity and participated in this event. And I hope that the department will continue to organize such programs, not only the mechanical department. I hope that all the departments will continue to organize such programs. Really, it's very appreciable. Thank you very much. Thanks and all.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your words and giving your time for this valedictory function of the symposium. Now, the session is open for the valuable feedback for the participants. The participant can raise their hand for the feedback. We will unmute them.
Yeah, before going for the feedback, just I will inform behalf of our chief guest, Professor Ramesh Babu, head of the department mechanical. He really very much sorry for missing this opportunity to attend and motivate us. And also his regret, he expressed his unwillingness because of unavailability of net in his place, because his out of station is not in Hyderabad, out of station, and because of that he's not able to join. He congratulated all the management, principal, head of the department, convener of this, co-convener of this event, and he is very happy to listen that last 6 days the session went very well, and speakers are not only from India. I think every day almost one speaker from India and one speaker from out of India. He is very much happy to know these things. When I discussed yesterday, and also today, he called me. When I called him, he expressed his unwillingness to not able to join this today's session. So, behalf of him, just I'm conveying his message to all our participants, our faculties, and our administration and management. So, behalf of him, thank you very much. Now we can go for the feedback. If any participant want to give the feedback, please raise your hand and we can unmute you, and you please go ahead and give your feedback. Dharamveer Singh, Dr. Dharamveer Singh, please, I'm unmuted you. Please unmute yourself and go ahead. Yes, sir. Dr. Dharamveer Singh, please give your valuable feedback. I think we're not able to hear you. And now I request one more participant, Isaki Mutu. He is also, just I'm unmuting you, sir. Please go ahead and give your valuable feedback or whatever the things is there.
Good afternoon, sir.
A very good afternoon, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Hello. This webinar is very nice, informative, and very much more helpful, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Junaid Uddin, please, I'm unmuting you. Please unmute and go ahead and give your feedback.
A daisy good afternoon to one and all. It's my pleasure to be the part of this international symposium conducted by Mechanical Engineering Department of Nawab Shah Alam.
You are not audible.
Technology. I'm very thankful to the principal. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm very thankful to our principal. I'm very thankful to our principal, Dr. Syed Abdul Sattar, the HOD of the department, Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. Syed Mujahid Hussaini, convener of this program, of this international symposium, Dr. Zahir Hassan, co-conveners, Mr. Mansoor and Mr. Akhil. This symposium covers all the aspects of the mechanical engineering and guides us and guides and motivate for the innovation and the research work in the department, in the mechanical engineering department. This symposium, and I'm very thankful for our speakers for giving their precious time for attending, for having these great sections. I'm thankful to all the participants on behalf of the Mechanical Engineering Department for attending this session. Thank you very much.
Yeah, maybe now I request Ismail just to go ahead and give your feedback. Ismail. Yeah, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, and good afternoon to principal, beloved principal, vice principal, and Raja Ahmad, Zahir Hussain Sahib especially. So even though I belong to civil engineering branch, I listened all your programs extremely well, especially heat transfer that I liked very much from Delhi IIT professor, which he has given a valuable lecture. And since first day onwards, regarding this during 7 days, I observed your patience, endurance, and your hard work in making this international. This is national, but it is seemed to be international symposium, and we have learned a lot of things, especially from students and staff and different people in different organizations in mechanical industry, and especially in MEP and HVAC, heat, ventilation, air condition, and mechanical electrical pumping, and all these related very extremely well. I was being a civil engineering, I was fascinated, and when compared to the mechanical people, they really enjoyed, and I wish you all, and I hope this type of programs will be continued in civil, electronics, computers, and electrical in future also. I wish you all the best, and in coming days, you will go with enthusiastic and energetic and motivating our institution and making the institution an international symposium. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It is you participants who have. Sir, your mic is unmuted.
Yeah, Mr. Mini Narayan, please go ahead and please give your feedback. Mr. Mini Narayan.
Hello.
Yeah,
I'm
please
audible?
go ahead. Yeah, I'm audible. You're
okay.
audible, madam. Go ahead.
Okay. Good afternoon to everybody. As I just feel that, see, though I am the field of education and I'm just talking from Kerala, this international symposium is found to be very innovative, implementer, not only for the students as well as for the faculties all over India as well as all over the world. So I would request the organization for conducting such a type of symposium to the international level. Let this increase in all the departments also. So I'll just request all other departments also to put forward such international symposium, which will be very useful for the faculties as well as the students. Thank you so much. And I'm the vice principal who is just talking from Kerala. Thank you.
Thank you very much, madam, for your valuable suggestion. Thank you very much. Now I request Syed Samir, just go ahead and ask your question. Give your feedback. Syed Samir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Go ahead, please.
Thank you, sir, for organizing such international symposium. It gave great knowledge for me. Especially I need to thank you, sir, for organizing such events. And also organize such events to gain knowledge. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you are audible. Go ahead. Syed Samir.
Syed Samir, please go ahead.
He has said thank you. He is finished.
Okay, thank you very much. Now request Karthik, just please unmute and give your valuable feedback. Mr. Karthik. Yeah, Mr. Karthik.
Hey, sir, on the topic, sir.
Yeah, please.
Audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Sir, audible?
Yeah, you are audible, sir. Please go ahead. Karthik, sir, please, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Sir, audible?
Yeah, you are
Yes,
audible.
sir, yes.
Hello?
Yeah, I think he's not able to. Now I request Mr. Vikrant, please unmute yourself and go ahead. Vikrant.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible. Please go ahead, Vikrant.
Yeah, sir. Thank you for providing such a wonderful opportunity. Previously, I attended FD Faculty Development Program, and I am very much grateful for having in your team, sir. And I must say, in near future, such events shall be conducted by Nawab Shah Engineering College. I must thankful to Mechanical Engineer Department, and I am very much fond of your voice, sir. This statement is for particularly Hussaini, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I like your English, sir, very much, sir.
Thank you.
And I am thankful to Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering and Technology for providing such sessions. Please continue your great work, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I request Ajinkya Pathak. Please go
Yes,
ahead
sir.
and please go ahead, Ajinkya Pathak.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, sir. You please go ahead.
Sir, very good afternoon to all dignitaries, all professors, principals, and management committee members of Nawab Shah College of Technology. Sir, I am very pleased to thank you all for not this international symposium means for conducting such a valuable thing in a particular very good manner. All of it means all the link you have shared for our day-to-day schedule, we get in very much period time. You know, we don't have any confusion to how to get in or any other thing. So means I am from Gyan Ganga Engineering College, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. But I seen that most of your faculties are very younger, but they are very, very, very good in conducting such a seminar in very smooth way. Also, I thank sir that in every day that there are one good eminent speaker from India's very valuable college as well as from the foreign countries. So very, very thankful and hope that you are doing such kind of things in future again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable feedback. Now, I think just we'll taking only last two feedbacks because we're having lack of time. So I request Piyush Kumar, please go ahead and please give your valuable feedback. Piyush Kumar. Yeah, please go ahead. You're audible.
Sir, thank you for this kind of session you guys are providing us. Sir, I'm pleased for this kind of session. Especially, I'm thankful to Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering. Please, and in future, you guys please continue this kind of work. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Now I request Muhammad Asimuddin, please go ahead and unmute yourself and give your feedback.
Assalamualaikum, sir. I'm Muhammad Asimuddin from Nawab Shah Alam College. First of all, I would like to thank you all my professors, principals sir and HOD sir for arranging this wonderful sessions. I have learned many new things in these sessions. I'd just like to say that thank you all for arranging this.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Now I request Muhammad Adnan Hussain. Please go ahead and give your valuable feedback. Adnan Hussain.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am very grateful to our college principal Sattar sir and other professors, and especially my HOD Mechanical Mujahid sir for giving this valuable and informative section. And thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Now I request Faisal Talib. Please go ahead and give your feedback. Faisal Talib.
Good afternoon, one and all. Myself, Faisal Talib from Aligarh Muslim University. I am an associate professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir. Go ahead.
I once again congratulate wholeheartedly the organizing, the team members of 1 week international symposium on advanced manufacturing and materials engineering. That was a very wonderful and very smartly selected topic, which is the need of the hour, particularly in these difficult times when the whole world is fighting against the COVID-19 pandemic. I am overwhelmed the way all of you have managed and taken up the whole program by involving a group of learned participants. I think you have invited more than 20 resource persons from across the globe, that too in different field of advanced manufacturing and material engineering, which is the future of sustainable and efficient manufacturing and market development. market development. I have attended almost all the sessions and enlightened myself with the knowledge and discussions and deeper insights on the subject throughout the course duration. Furthermore, the way the team members smartly manage the time, punctuality, and discipline, as well as the management of Q&A sessions, was wonderful and appreciable. I applaud all of you. Hats off to all of you. The team, I will say Zahir Hassan Saab. He know me very well. The overall behavior of all the hosts and staff members, especially by Professor Zahir Hassan, Dr. Mansoor Hassan, and the person who are behind the scene, I congratulate them with wholeheartedly, who were always there to resolve problems related to internet connectivity, managing Q&A session, etc. They all were very energetic, attentive, and resolved every problem query with full confidence. You all will be remembered for your good deeds for a longer period of time. Thank you very much, sir. Stay safe, stay healthy. Allah.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your really motivating feedback. Really, this will motivate us, sir. Yeah,
Yes, sir,
definitely. And now, next, I request Adnan Mustafa. Please go ahead and ask your give your feedback. Adnan Mustafa.
Good afternoon, sir, and thank you to all the lecturers. Thanks for having us on this symposium. It is meant to be very useful for us, and I hope that in future we will also meet in some other lectures like this one. Thank you, sir.
Sure. And now request Mohammad Zubair. Please go ahead and give your feedback. You unmute yourself and give your feedback. Mohammad Zubair. Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. I am Mohammad Zubair and I am studying in Aligarh Muslim University. And sir, very thankful to you for organizing this system, organizing this system and this webinar. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Hello.
We are able to hear you. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. I am sitting on the top of the roof. Here is very network problems. Sir.
Okay. We understand. We also, because sometimes we also feeling the problem. Anyway, thank you very much for your valuable feedback. Now I think because now we are running out of time, I'm extremely sorry for not taking all the feedbacks. If anything is there, please, you having our email address, you write anything to our email, whether it's a positive or if you are giving any constructive improvisation suggestion, definitely we are very happy to take that. And very soon we are going to conduct one more session, possible FDP or anything within few weeks. But one thing I need to tell you that within before end of this 2020, inshallah, we are targeting to conduct one international conference. So all the details we are going to share within 1 week, 10 days. So now request Muhammad Mansoor,
Sir,
please.
Excuse me, sir. Muhammad Akhil here.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Feedback from Muhammad Akhil, sir.
Okay, ठीक है.
Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to thank the Nawab Shah College of Engineering and Technology for encouraging us to organize this international symposium. A special thanks to the convener, Dr. Zahir Hassan, sir, and HOD Mujahid Hussaini, sir, for continuously motivating and encouraging us. We are very fortunate to have both of you, sir. And thanks for allowing me to part of this wonderful event as a member of organizing committee and as a co-convener. It has been very successful and path-setting experience. I have learned a lot over the span of last few days, and I had my moments and enjoyed as well. Hope we will do more and more in near future. And I would like to take this opportunity to also thank the participants. It's not easy to give time from 10 to 1 for 6 days and being patient. And, thank you very much, participants, for making it successful. And lastly, I want to thank my counterpart, Mansoor Hassan, for working hard and helping successfully organizing this event. Thank you very much once again to all of you.
Thank you, Akhil, sir. Now I would like to thank Dr. Mujahid Hussaini, sir, and Dr. Zahid Hassan, convener and director of R&D, for giving me an opportunity to be the conveyor of such a wonderful program. I like to thank Professor Raza Ahmed, sir, for kindness and great assistance. I also like to thank all the participants for being with us and supporting and encouraging us. And a special thank to my co-convener, Mr. Muhammad Akhil Ahmed, for his coordination and support. And to all mechanical department faculty, especially Muhammad Umair Ansari and Muhammad Tahir, for their contribution for making this program very successful. Thank you, all of you. Now I would request HOD of the Department Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Syed Mujahid Hussaini, to convey vote of thanks and declare the end of symposia.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mansoor. Very good afternoon to all. I think it's a wonderful feeling to conduct such an event, international symposia, and we are there on the last day. So I invite all. I welcome you all for this session again. Unfortunately, because of the internet problem, our chief guest is not available today. But whatever the dignitary is available today with us, our principal, chair of today's session, Professor Syed Abdul Sattar, Principal, Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering, Professor Syed Farooq Anwar, Vice Principal, Administration, Professor Dr. Zahir Hassan, Director, R&D and convener of this symposia, Professor Raza Ahmad Khan, Senior Most Faculty of our Mechanical Engineering Department, Mr. Muhammad Mansoor Hassan and Muhammad Akhil Ahmad, co-conveners of this event, faculties and staff of Mechanical Engineering Department, Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering and Technology, participants, eminent scholars, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen. A warm and grateful afternoon to all. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledging the contributions of those who worked really hard to make this international symposia a great success. So I am Dr. Syed Mujahid Hussaini, Head of the Department, Mechanical Engineering and Director, Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering. So behalf of entire fraternity of Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering and Technology, first of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to Almighty Allah for made this 6-day international symposia on advanced manufacturing and materials engineering a resounding success. With His blessings and with the grace of Almighty, we are there today on the validatory session. We are going to conclude the things. And really, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest of today's session, Professor Ramesh Babu, sir, because his encouragement and his support, because he is from Osmania University, Department of Mechanical Engineering. He giving a lot of support from in our events. And also I'm thankful to our inauguration session chief guest, so Brigadier Dr. A. Umar Farooq, Director Engineering Staff College of India, for his thoughts and suggestions. With his suggestions, we have done this 6 days program wonderfully, and we'll try to do still more events to come. And my gratitude to all the speakers of these sessions who spend their valuable time and share their knowledge, their experiences with us from last 6 days, every day 2 sessions from India as well as from abroad. If I want to say, I want to take much time, just I want to, because I need to, it's my duty, because I'm acknowledging when I'm giving a vote of thanks, I need to give everybody who's last 6 days is participated and presented their knowledge as well as their experiences. So on first day, we're having 2 wonderful sessions by Professor Dr. Akhtar Ansari from Aligarh Muslim University, manufacturing components of nanocomposites. It's mostly is talking about manufacturing of nanocomposites. And then second session on first day, Dr. Abed Hamid Al Suleiman. He was delivered lecture from the UK, from the University of Stanfordshire University, on sensors and their applications in mechanical engineering. And second day, we're having a wonderful session from Professor Shamsuddin Ahmed. So manufacturing environment and their planning and control, an overview on that. So he's delivered his session from Dhaka. He was working in Islamic University of Technology, Dhaka in Bangladesh. So wonderful session. I think he's giving a lot of insights about the manufacturing environment and their planning. And second session on second day, we're having a production planning and control by Professor Vineet Jain, professor and head of the department from Mewat Engineering College. So a very wonderful lecture on production planning and control. Especially he has focused more thing on lean manufacturing as well as some recent development in manufacturing process. On third day, we're having a wonderful session on forging die design. So by Dr. Muhammad Israr Iqbal. So associate professor from RTC Institute of Technology, Ranchi. I think he was delivered a lecture wonderfully on, especially on forging, different kind of issues, or different kind of processes, problems are coming in forging, as well as the different kind of dies and how to design them. Those aspects he was elaborated on that day. On the third day, the next session was Dr. Ahmad Abu Sinha. So he is the research officer in National Institute of Standard Department of force and matrices and metrology from Egypt. He was delivered his wonderful session on creative problem solving from Egypt. I think it was very wonderful session. I think he's talking about different things other than mechanical engineering, lot of things, how to improve our research, how to creativity has to incorporate it in our research. Those things he has pointed out. And then fourth day, we having wonderful sessions by Dr. Chandra Mouli, professor from mechanical engineering department, Majma University, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So he's delivered on manufacturing and service operations, a multi-objective optimization approach. So giving a lot of ideas to improvise the manufacturing process, to optimize those. And on the same day, fourth day, so one of our, I think very well done his presentation, Dr. Ranbir Singh. Actually, his presentation was on Sunday, but due to our request, he's preponed his session and made it the session on Friday, 2 days before. He's given a wonderful session on especially on computer-aided technology for design, manufacturing, and planning for industrial automation. So especially he's focused on various softwares which mechanical engineers are using: CAD, CAM, CAE, CAPP, computer-aided process planning. So all these things, he'll focus a wonderful insights on that. And even he's told what are the different softwares, even few softwares we are not aware. So all those things are here, he's explained very well. And then fifth day, yesterday on Saturday, we having a wonderful session from Dr. Mashukin Nabi from IIT Delhi, assistant from the electrical department. He has delivered a wonderful lecture on reduced modeling for control. Few case studies also is taken on, especially thermal and heat transfer. Some of our participants today given very good feedback about his presentation. Even though he's an electrical professor in electrical engineering, but still he has given some insight about optimization, control systems, control theories, about our heat transfer problems. And then yesterday, I think wonderful lecture by Professor Dr. Swadesh Kumar Singh. He's a professor and dean of GRIT, JNTU Hyderabad, on warm forming of material. So even he's wonderfully explained about different processes in warm forming, especially austenitic stainless steel. And he's offered all the participants as well as the faculties from our college and various colleges, if they want any kind of experiment to do. So he's voluntarily giving the support to come to his institute and do your experiments. I think he's very wonderful person, Dr. Swadesh Kumar Singh. During my research also, he has supported me a lot. So even participant, if anybody want any kind of support, maybe they can take his help, and he's a very good teacher. Maybe you can see him on Facebook also. He's very much active on Facebook, always giving the technical as well as motivation. Both messages he used to share daily on the Facebook. And today's, I think, last day, we having two wonderful sessions on both very good topics. First one by Professor Dr. Ashwin Dhingya on Industry 4.0 Smart Manufacturing. I think it was very wonderful session on a lot of recent developments on manufacturing. And then last session today's, I think, wonderful session by Muhammad Afzal. So industrial applications of vibration and acoustic. I think he's from Volvo. He's taken a lot of case studies from Volvo and what are the problems he has solved on Volvo motors and Volvo cars. I think he has given wonderfully. He's explained. I think these things will be very much helpful for us when we designing a research projects, or maybe our students when we're going for a career in industries. And in addition to these speakers, we having a session chairs also. In every session, we having a chair as well as co-chair. 2 chairs will be there. I think most of the chairs are from our college, Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering. Every faculty who chaired and co-chaired, I extend my warm gratitude to them. As well as we having few faculties come from outside, and they session the chair, and they consolidated whatever the things delivered by the speakers. So Mr. Pawan Rangdal, so from PDA College of Engineering, and Mr. Salman Shah Khadri from Lord's Institute of Engineering Technology, Mr. Makhdoom Mohyuddin from Shadan College of Engineering and Technology, and today with us we have Muhammad Yahya. So he is from Mukarramja College of Engineering, Hyderabad. So all these people are participated, and they session chair and coordinated with our participant as well as our speakers. So now I can express my sincere thanks to our management, our secretary Nawab Mehboob Alam Khan Sahab, and as well as our joint secretary Mujahid Alam Khan Sir, for their motivation and continuous support in all this period for doing this kind of event. I also immense thankful to our principal, Professor Syed Abdul Sattar Sir, for permitting us and continuously supporting us to doing this kind of activities, FDPs, symposia, webinars, and quizzes. So all these things he's supporting a lot to us. Thank you very much, sir. And also extend my warm regards to our senior professors, Professor Syed Farooq Anwar, Vice Principal Administration, Professor Sanaullah Hasim, Vice Principal Academics, Mr. Nisar Ahmad Khan, our Chief Administrative Officer of our entire branch of institutes. I'm very much thankful to all these senior faculties of the institute. And also extend my, I think, most important person of this symposia, and lot of applause we need to give it to him. The source of the complete his contacts is the convener of this symposia and director R&D, Dr. Zahir Hassan, Professor Mechanical Engineering Department. I think I don't have the words to express my thanks to him, to all the things he's put from last, I think, more than 3 to 4 weeks, because last week we having faculty development program. Most of the participants is his contacts, and after that we having a symposia. So almost all is from his contacts. I think he's stitched a series of sessions wonderfully. So 16 sessions at that time last week and 14 sessions now. Almost we conducted 30 sessions, 30 speakers we invited, and we are done. I think it has very done wonderfully. I think completely credit goes to Dr. Zahir Hassan. Sir, thank you very much for all your efforts and mobilizing your resources for make these events wonderful. And also I'm looking forward to your contacts as well as your efforts and hard work for the future activities also. So as you suggested, I think there is one more symposium, one more FDP is going to happen in next week from the civil department, not mechanical department. Maybe I may not available in that, but definitely the civil faculties will be there. But our director R&D is continuously supporting there also. I request especially civil faculties, if anybody is there, civil students, if anybody is there, and also if anybody interested in civil area like structural engineering as well as fluid mechanics, please attend that FDP program. That was definitely very good, very much helpful for us. And also thanks to our senior most professor in our college, Professor Raza Ahmad Khan, for continuous his suggestions toward this continuous his motivation, his guidance to make this event to be such a wonderful. And also express my thanks to co-conveners, Mr. Mansoor Hassan and Mr. Akhil Ahmad. So put this event, I think, ideas of Zahir Hassan and these two co-conveners, Mr. Mansoor Hassan and Mr. Akhil Ahmad. I think without these two, I think it's not possible to make this event such a grand success. So really thankful to you both. I'm very much thankful for your efforts from last few days. I know that you have spent a lot of nights, sleepless nights from last few days. I hope tomorrow maybe you can relax for next few days and remove your whatever the hard work and whatever your strain is there, will please remove it from next few days. And thankful to our mechanical engineering faculty, staff who's directly and indirectly helpful. Especially thankful to Umair Ansari, who is helped our co-conveners, as well as Muhammad Rafiq. So whatever the support he is given to our co-conveners as well as to us to conducting this event such a wonderful. And also all other faculties, I think we are not shortage of time though, that's why I'm not taking everybody's name, but everybody, all the departments of all the faculties and staff of mechanical engineering department has supported wonderfully. I'm really proud that I'm the head of the department of this bunch of very effective and very efficient faculties, bunch of faculties, head of the department. Very thankful to to our management to make me as a head of the department to these wonderful faculties. So thank you very much. And I also thank all the participants from various engineering, the faculties from various engineering colleges who've taken the time, and also research scholars. Even students also participated in this, and some practicing engineers also participated in this symposia. And thanks to everybody to take your valuable time and spend on this and listen our lectures and given us an opportunity to make this event to be success. I think without you, I think this event may not be up to this level. So thank you very much. And at last, because already I told you, and once again I'm emphasizing on that, we are going to conduct an international conference, and most probably in the month of December last week. So all the details we're going to share with you maybe within 1 week to 10 days time. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Now I request Dr. Mansoor Hassan, please take over this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. So this is the end of a wonderful event. Please fill the feedback form, which is provided in the chat box.